What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the mobile data is slow issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel. Now from here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. Now after doing this, the mobile data will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then check for the network signals. So if you're getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network connection is poor. So move to area where you can get good signals. And after that, the mobile data will start working properly. Now if you're still facing the issue, then take out the SIM card from your phone, clean the SIM card with a clean cloth, and after that put it back in, and after reinserting the SIM card it will fix the mobile data issue. So that's how you can fix the slow mobile data issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.